If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Matic video update. So the last few times that I made the Matic video update, we had this sideways continuation pattern, and I told you that we're breaking out of a bullish rectangle here, and I gave you a technical target to move to the upside, and pretty much the technical target is done. We're sitting at $1.4. Now Matic has been my success. I've been very successful with Matic. Like, if I had to go on and tell you my success story, I did ended up buying Matic honestly down here in June. Okay, so this is where my buyings really were. I'm telling you, like literally the rock bottom. I did get it Matic here, and I'm still holding it, and I'm holding it for the long term. Okay, I'm holding, and it's not secret because this was in my private channel in my Discord, where I told so many people join. Some of them did end up joining it, and some didn't get joining it. So anyways, keeping that aside, we do have another break of a pattern here. I do think you're breaking out of this particular line right there. You do have a little bit of a pattern going on. So one touch right there. It's almost like a rounded curved bottom right here, and you have a little bit of that as well. Or you can even say maybe more like a cup and handle, because that looks like a cup right there making an handle right over here. So speaking about cup and handles, we are looking for a technical target to go from there to there, and you can see that this is looking amazing, maybe to push up to $2. So if from the time that I actually bought Matic, because it's 0.335, I think 0.35 is where I actually got it. So that's gonna be 482%. Even right now I'm almost 322%. That's like crazy. Now I do have some belief. Let's talk about a little bit of a long term, because I've told you about the daily. I'm really excited for Matic, by the way, and the long term, the all-time high is nearly $2.8. Now for the next bull run, my personal take is Matic is a project that is so believable to me that can hit $50. That's my take about Matic. I'm talking about $50. I think Matic in a bull run can hit $50. If Chainlink could go from $0.4 all the way to $55, don't tell me Matic cannot do that. I've seen Matic ever since it was launched on Binance, when it started off its incredible journey down here back in 2019. Yeah, I'm that old actually. So I've been looking at Matic. I've been at first I was like, what is this Matic and this and that. I didn't actually know what Launchpad was, what new coin listing was, and I actually see on Binance that they used to say, hey, we're going to list Matic in the, I don't know, innovative zone or something like that. And it used to pump and down. But I realized when I later on learned about trading that this was a huge accumulation going on here. And if you look at Matic right now, it's almost looked like this was another big accumulation, wasn't it? This is another like big accumulation going on, and now you're breaking out of it. I do think Matic in the future, in the long term, can actually do $50. This is where it can do. Of course, there's no technical reason to back up. This is my, what do you call this? We have three different analyses. Semantical analysis, where you just use your own mentality and experience based on the market, because I've seen coins like Litecoin, Chainlink, and stuff like that. Now, before I close the video, there's one more place that Matic has to retest. So one thing you have to be careful about is that I don't know if Matic is interested to retest this trend line, because if you look at this resistance there and some resistance here, you just pushed up without retesting things. But on the other hand, you have three white soldiers, 1, 2, 3 candles back to back, which is a continuation to go up. So in my opinion, you could do something like this, go down, make a flag here, and then try to pop out of the flag. And if you pop out of a flag or a bull flag here, then you can see that it takes you from there to there, and you're actually looking for that technical target to move up to nearly $2. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this quick Matic update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.